Okay guys, so now it's part 2 of how we connect our i12 TWS wireless headphones. Okay guys, so now it's part 2 of how we connect our i12 TWS wireless headphones, right? So now what we do for step number 2, we take it out of our box. It's still new with the blue nice stickers. Once again, we still have that on and off button, as you can see it right there. You press it on once, your headphones goes on, that we know. Now this time we don't take them out and give them time, right, to pair. What we do is we take them out immediately and put them directly in our ears. Now the Chinese chick will tell you left channel, right channel, that he's got the system on, right? Give it some time. Automatically it's pairing, you give it some time, right? I'm going on my phone now. I'll show you the steps. Bluetooth, it's on. Searching for device. Ah, there it goes. i12. Nice. Click on it. They automatically pair, right? With my device. The lady should let you know it's all good and ready to go. Now relax guys. There's no passwords or unique numbers, stuff like that you need to put on. Nah. Fairly quick and simple. The Chinese lady just told me, connected. And I'm ready to go. Music's playing. Cheers guys.